Hello viewers, I'll show you how to make an ISO image file or how you can make ISO image file by using Magic ISO from your DVD writer or DVD. So now I'm going to open this Magic ISO. If you don't have installed Magic ISO, then install it from the software magiciso.com. And now I'm going to open it. After opening, then go to the tools and click on make ISO from CD or DVD. As well as we have opened our DVD ROM and we have a DVD. So now I want to make ISO from my DVD. Then click on here, and this is my source and this is my output. Now I'm going to set up my output. So now just going to write your output name ISO Windows file. Now going to save it, then click on make CD image file, and you will need more times to do it. And then after done this successfully, then you will see whatever I made this file a few hours ago, which I made this one. Then when you go to check, then you will see that the size is 4.22 GB. So it will take times. When it will be 100%, then you will see like this one. So thanks for watching. We are going to talk about how to make a bootable pen drive by using ISO file.